Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. I'm Ashank David, and in this video, we are going to talk about four pillars of object oriented programming in Python. And in those four pillars, today we are going to focus on inheritance, which is one of the four pillars of object oriented programming in Python. So, without any further ado, let's begin. So, now in object oriented programming in Python, we have four pillars, namely inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So let us see them one by one. If I talk about inheritance, inheritance is the capability of a class to derive or inherit the properties from another class. That means a class can inherit some others' properties, methods, and all. In polymorphism let us define the methods in the child class that has the same name as the methods in the parent class. Then, if I talk about abstraction, abstraction is a method of hiding the data and only showing the functionality of that particular thing to the user. Then, if I talk about encapsulation, so encapsulation is a wrapping up of data. So, now if I talk about inheritance, what is inheritance in general? So, inheritance is a process by which genetic information is passed from parent to child. This is why members of same family tends to have similar characteristics. Now, if I talk about inheritance in object-oriented programming, it's the capability of a class to derive or inherit the properties from another class. That is inheritance in Python. So now if I show you an example of inheritance in Python, this is one of the program that you can see to understand what is inheritance in Python. So here in this program, we have three classes. So class calculator, class advanced calculator, and then super advanced calculator is the third class that we have in this program. So now you can see that in class calculator, only addition function is written. In advanced calculator, only subtraction function is written. And in super advanced calculator, this multiplication method is written. Now, by the way, these functions are written into the class. So now they will be called as methods in object-oriented programming. So we have addition method in calculator, we have subtraction method in advanced calculator, and then we have multiplication method in super advanced calculator. So as you can see here, that calculator can only perform addition. But advanced calculator can perform subtraction and addition both. Without writing this addition method into this advanced calculator class, this advanced calculator can perform both subtraction and addition. How? Because of inheritance. Because this class advanced calculator is inheriting this class called calculator. As you can see, at the time of class definition of advanced calculator, I have given calculator inside the parenthesis of this advanced calculator class. This means now this advanced calculator can start inheriting this calculator class. So now this calculator became the parent class and this advanced calculator became the child class of this calculator class. So that means this advanced calculator can do addition and subtraction both without repeating my addition method inside this advanced calculator. As we already know that object-oriented programming is all about reusability of our code. So with the help of inheritance, I am reusing my method in different classes with the help of inheritance. If I talk about the third class here, super advanced calculator, you can see that this is inheriting this advanced calculator. That means now this super advanced calculator is the child class of this advanced calculator. So now this advanced calculator became the parent class to the super advanced calculator. So that means that super advanced calculator can do multiplication also, subtraction also, and addition also without writing addition and subtraction inside my super advanced calculator. So this is called inheritance. So at the time of definition of this super advanced calculator, I have said advanced calculator inside the parenthesis of my super advanced calculator class. So that means now this class is started inheriting this advanced calculator and this class is started inheriting this calculator. So basically there is a one family here of classes. So this is the grandfather, this is the parent, and this is the child. So this class is child to this class and this advanced calculator class is child to this class. So this is the main parent class, this is the child class, and this is the child class 2 for this class. I hope you have understood this example. Now let us see the program related to this inheritance in Python. So now this is my program that demonstrates an inheritance in Python. So we have created our first class called class person. In this person class, we have attributes as fname and lname. Fname for first name and lname for last name. So now we have defined one method which is going to print the fname, first name, and the last name of this person. So because fname and lname are the attributes, these attributes will be common to this class called person, and this is the method to print my fname and lname. Now I have created a object from this class called person. So x1 is the object here from this person class, and his name is Jason and Smith. So now this Jason will go into this f name, and this Smith will go into this l name. And then when I say print name, it is going to print Jason Smith as first name and last name, because this is the method that I have been calling from this person class, from this x1 object. Now I created a class called student, and I specified this person class into the parenthesis of this class definition called student. So that means now this class of student has started inheriting this person class. Now, as you can see that in this class of student, I have not written anything. I just said pass. So this way I can leave my class student empty. And this class started inheriting first name and L name automatically from this person class, because this is inheriting this person's class, this class. So I can create an object from my student class, say x2 is an object from this class called student, and I can just directly say arguments. I can say Rohit Sharma, and this Rohit Sharma will go into the f name of this person class, because this student class is inheriting this person class. So that's why this student will have first name and L name as the attribute also, because it is inheriting this person class. So that's why I can easily create an object from my student class, and I can create as many objects as I can in my student class, and also I can use the method of my parent class. So this is an example of inheritance. I hope you have understood what inheritance is in object-oriented programming in Python. I hope you have understood this well. If you have any doubts, tell me in the comment section. I'm going to clear all your doubts. And before we end this video, I would like to request you people to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching. This is Ashank David signing off. Hope you guys understood this topic. I'll see you guys in the next video.